Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling or using the print screen button to open up the screen snipping tool on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, you come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down and select the ease of access tile. And then on the left side, scrolling down underneath interaction, select keyboard. And then on the right side, scrolling down again, there should be something that says print screen shortcut. Use the print screen button when opening the screen snipping. Based on other app settings, you might need to restart your PC to see this change. Go ahead and toggle that on if you want to enable that feature, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.